Gang, gang, gang. What it is. Mook and the V back with another video, man. I'm still out here in Ohio, man. I'm out here struggling, trying to get this footage for you, man. I don't know where this is gonna fall at in the video because I wasn't even ready to shoot the video, but I got some news that I couldn't meet up with Q50 Tempest, I think is his name. You know, cool dude, man. Never met him in person or anything, but always show love on Instagram, you know, always support each other. I was on my way to go check out the monument out here in the NFL Hall of Fame, but I came across this lot right here, and I felt like since I'm probably not gonna get up with Q50, I'm gonna try to put his IG and some pictures of his car, maybe some moving action if he got some rolling footage or something for y'all. But I was riding past, man. I seen this nice little old school spot right here, man. So I wanted to just jump out real quick and just show y'all, you know, what I got going on right here. Give y'all a little bit of car footage. I don't know what this is right here. It's like Grand Wagon or something. Hold on, me. Y'all, you know what I mean? Y'all see the drip, man. Y'all already know, man. We still got it. Classic merch right here, man. We still got it. Holla at me on IG, man. Get yours. Bam! Look at that joint right there. What? What? Cut it out. Cut it out, family. That's cold right there, man. That's a car. That's a car right there. Get up here. See the inside of it. My bad, y'all, my bad. Yeah, this thing right here is a bad boy. Surfboard is up top, man, like they out in Cali somewhere. Y'all see where we at, though. Ohio Corvettes and muscle cars. Yes, sir. You know what I mean? Y'all already know, I'm gonna sniff it out. I'm gonna sniff that action out. Always, always. What's this? Chevy Super Sport? Ugh. Red. Come on. I know I'm gonna get y'all what y'all want, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of everything, but I'm gonna definitely get y'all what y'all want. Buyer's guide. It's a Chevrolet Impala 1966 Super Sport. Jeez. Give y'all a quick little run around in this joint, man. You know what I mean? Y'all a quick little run around. Got the Mero right here, SS joint. Stripes on it. Inside clean, of course. What we got right here? What is this? Cutlass. Got another red one, a Cutlass. I mean, they're not the same car, but you know, you got the still the red body. Just like the Impala over there with the white top. Red wheels on there. This thing right here. How you doing, man? This thing right here, though, this man, I want one of these trucks, man. This thing is a drop top. This thing is beautiful, man. This thing is beautiful, man. I'm gonna have me one of these. Mark my words, I'm gonna have me one of these on the channel one day. That is a fact. Black one here. Yeah, them things cold. That one right there look different, though. Yeah, man.
How you doing?
How you doing, man? It's your shop here, man?
Yeah. I'm late for an appointment.
Okay. Now I do YouTube, bro. So I was riding past. I do car vlogs. So I was riding past and I seen this. I got an '84 Vet and a Jeep SRT. So you know, I had to come and stop. Like I gotta get this on. I gotta get this on camera, man. Some nice cars on the lot here.
Thanks.
No problem, man. Look at the Trans Am. I think I want one of these too, y'all. I need at least 2-3 of the cars that's on this lot. See that thing rolling right there. Woo. Yes, sir. This thing right here, it's a soul. Somebody happy right now. That thing sounds good pulling off. Oh, I see the paper over there. Let me see if we can see how much it was sold for. See if I can see how much it was sold for. Nope, just say Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. No, sir. They got inside here. Damn, I gotta go inside too, man. Oh, he gone. Dang, look at the inside there. Huh? And the mother load, y'all already know, man. Big Stingray, all white. Y'all know, like he got the, got the glass top on it, the smoke glass top, and that's T-top. This is a bad boy right here, y'all. I used to want one of these, man, but I think I'm gonna stay content with my vet, man. I'm gonna just make it do what it do, man. My vet is also a classic year. It is classic to me, but that is the first year that they changed the vet from that Stingray body style y'all just saw to mine, you know, and then they added the fuel injection engine and a whole bunch of other stuff, man. But got one more for you right here. Go ahead, come down here, man. I already see Northwest Auto Sales, the toy store for Corvettes and muscle cars, man. They got them up here for y'all, man. If y'all in the Ohio area, go ahead and come holler at them, man. They right out here in North Canton. Yes, sir. All right, man. I gotta hop back in Big Blue and go. I'm already behind schedule, man. Trying to do too much. Trying to get this footage for y'all, man. But it gotta be done. You know what I'm saying? It's gotta be done. But all right, man, I'm finna go pull up on the monument, and then I'm gonna pick the camera back up, and I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute.